Imagine a world where we communicate without speaking a word. Thoughts instantly transformed into text or actions. This is the promise of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. BCIs tap into the electrical signals of our brains. They decode these signals, translating thoughts into commands. This technology can revolutionize communication. BCIs bridge our minds and the digital world. Control devices with thoughts, from wheelchairs to prosthetics. BCIs restore and enhance communication. For those with severe disabilities, BCIs offer a lifeline. Imagine being trapped inside your own body. This is the reality for people with locked-in syndrome. BCIs offer a way to communicate again. This technology breaks down barriers. The future of communication is about to change. BCIs will transform how we interact. Our brains are buzzing with electrical activity. Every thought, every sensation, every movement triggers a cascade of electrical signals. BCIs work by eavesdropping on these signals. They use sensors to detect and record the electrical activity in our brains. There are two main types of BCIs: invasive and non-invasive. Invasive BCIs require surgery to implant electrodes directly into the brain. These electrodes are in direct contact with neurons, allowing for highly precise recordings. Non-invasive BCIs, on the other hand, sit on the scalp like a cap. They detect the faint electrical signals that pass through the skull. Once the brain signals are recorded, they are amplified and filtered. Sophisticated algorithms then analyze these signals, looking for patterns that correspond to specific thoughts or intentions. This is where the real magic happens, the translation of raw brain data into meaningful commands. However, there are still challenges to overcome. Brain signals are incredibly complex and noisy. Developing algorithms that can accurately decode these signals is a daunting task. Moreover, every brain is unique. This means that BCIs need to be calibrated for each individual user, which can be time-consuming. For millions of people around the world, communication is a daily struggle. Conditions like ALS, stroke, and spinal cord injuries can rob individuals of their ability to speak or move. BCIs offer a beacon of hope for these individuals, providing a way to reconnect with the world. Imagine a world where a paralyzed person can control a computer cursor with their thoughts, where they can type out messages, browse the internet, or even control a robotic arm to perform tasks. This is the life-changing potential of BCIs for people with disabilities. BCIs can enable individuals with locked-in syndrome to communicate their needs